Assalamualaikum. Good morning, pupils. So we will learn a new unit or new topic today. Our topic is money and our subtopic is recognize money and value of money. So class, this is the answer for our drillings. Okay, you may check yourself. Okay, and then don't forget to write how many questions did you get correct. Okay, write how many over 4. Now let us go through our subtopic recognize Malaysian money. Okay, our money that we use in our country Malaysia. Okay, 10 cent and 20 cent. Okay, this is the 10 cent coin and this one is the 20 cent coin. Okay, the 10 cent coin is in the color of silver, in silver color. And then 20 cent is in gold, is gold in color. Okay, the color is gold. Okay, you may look at here, this one, the 10 cent and the 20 cent. We can see there are number here. Okay, number 10 and 20. And then the shape is round. And then there are also, what is this? The hibiscus flower. Okay, the same goes with 5 cent coin and 50 cent coin. Okay, the 5 cent coin is in silver color, but 50 cent coin is gold in color. They also have hibiscus picture and number. Okay, 5 cent with the number 5 and then 50 cent with the number 50, and both of them are in round shape. Okay, next. Okay, so this is 1 ringgit money. Okay, 1 ringgit note. Okay, you may look at here. Okay, this one is hibiscus flower and then the number 1, and at the back of this 1 ringgit note there is Bank Negara logo, and then down here it is a wow bulan picture. Okay, next, this is a 5 ringgit note. Okay, this is the picture of hornbill, and then this is the 10 ringgit note. Okay, you can see the Rafflesia picture. Next is 20 ringgit note. Okay, this one shows the value of money or the number 20, and then down here at the side of the note is the picture of a turtle. Okay, it is yellow in color. Okay, next, 50 ringgit note. As you can see, this is the portrait of the first Yang di-Pertuan Agong. Okay, the portrait of the first Yang di-Pertuan Agong also can be seen in other notes of our money. Okay, 1 ringgit, 2 ringgit, 10 ringgit, 5 ringgit, 20 ringgit, 50 ringgit, and 100 ringgit. And then this is the picture of a palm tree. Okay, the color is greenish blue. Last one, this is 100 ringgit note. Okay, as you can see there, as you can see at the other note of our money, there is a hibiscus flower. Okay, the color is purple, and you can see at the side of the 100 ringgit note, there is the picture of the Mount Kinabalu. So now we go through our next subtopic, value of money. Okay, what is the value of this one? Okay, it is 50 ringgit. Okay, this is in words 50 ringgit, and this is in numerals 50 ringgit or RM50, RM50, but we read it as 50 ringgit. Okay, this is the abacus that show the value of 50 ringgit. Okay, next B. Okay, there's a combination of money there, 20 ringgit, 150 cent, 120 cent, and 220 cent. So if we count it, it will be 20 ringgit and 90 cent. 20 ringgit and 90 cent. Okay, this is the abacus that shows 20 ringgit and 90 cent. Okay, last one, C. Okay, combination of money again. Okay, there is 120 ringgit, okay, 110 ringgit, and then 1 ringgit and 5 ringgit, and last one is 150 cent. So if we count all together, add up all together, it will be 37 ringgit and 50 cent. 37 ringgit and 50 cent. And this is the abacus that shows 37 ringgit and 50 cent. Next, okay, look at this. Okay, 250 ringgit has the same value as 100 ringgit. And how about here? 10 ringgit also has the same value as 100 ringgit. Okay, last one. Okay, the example of the last one, combination of money again. As you can see here, this is 10 ringgit, 5 ringgit, 10 ringgit, 50 ringgit, 5 cent, and 3 pieces of 20 cents. So if we count it, count them, 50 plus 10 is 60. Okay, 60 plus 5 is 65. 65 plus 5 is 70. Plus 1 is 71. Plus another 1 ringgit is 72. So 72 ringgit, and then we count the coins, the value of coins. Okay, 20, 20, 20 becomes 60, and then plus another 5 cent is 65 cent. So altogether is 72 ringgit and 65 cent. Okay, I hope that all of you will understand in recognizing money and determining the value of money. So for your task today, do exercise in activity book page 103 and 104. Okay, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum. Bye.